Welcome to our channel. Today, we're bringing you a delightful twist on classic salads, the delicious chicken bread salad. This unique recipe combines the freshness of a garden salad with the heartiness of chicken and the irresistible flavor of freshly baked bread. Let's get started. First, we have our vibrant salad greens. We've chosen a mix of crisp lettuce, peppery arugula, and juicy cherry tomatoes. These ingredients will provide the perfect base for our salad. Next, we'll add our star ingredient, tender and succulent grilled chicken. Seasoned with a blend of aromatic herbs and spices, our chicken is bursting with flavor. This protein-packed addition will make our salad both satisfying and delicious. Now, let's talk bread. Instead of using regular croutons, we're going to take it up a notch by using freshly baked bread. Cut into bite-sized cubes and toasted until golden and crispy. This adds a delightful crunch to every bite. To bring everything together, we'll whip up a zesty dressing. Combining tangy lemon juice, creamy yogurt, and a touch of honey, this dressing adds a burst of freshness and complements the flavors perfectly. Lastly, we'll assemble our salad. Start with the bed of greens, then layer on the grilled chicken, the crunchy bread cubes, and finish off with the drizzle of the tangy dressing. Toss everything gently to ensure every bite is coated in that delicious dressing. And there you have it, our mouth-watering chicken bread salad. It's a delightful fusion of flavors and textures that will leave you craving more. So go ahead, give this recipe a try and experience the ultimate salad sensation. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes and culinary inspiration. Happy cooking!